not standing on my own. The waves and winds of this world can knock us off our feet, and we often face our trials with our lives wrapped in defeat. We quickly forget God's promise that in our weakness He is strong. No matter what the circumstance, we don't face it all alone. And in His perfect strength we rise to face another day. By the power of His mighty hand He enables us to say, I am not standing on my own, cannot fight this fight alone. I cannot keep my head above the raging sea. I need your strength to help me stand. I need the guidance of your hand. I'll never face the night alone, 'cause I'm not standing on my own. Walked temptation's valleys, yeah, I've seen her great escapes. I've been down roads less traveled, and I've chased earth's greatest game. Struggled through the darkest night, just searching for a home. But no matter what the circumstance, I never faced it all alone. I am not standing on my own, cannot fight this fight alone. I cannot keep my head above the raging sea. I need your strength to help me stand, need the guidance of your hand. I'll never walk the night alone, 'cause I'm not standing on my own. I am not standing on my own, I'm not standing on my own. I am not standing on my own, I'm not standing